everyone, welcome to my channel Data Universe. Here you will find practical SQL tutorials, tips on mastering SQL for data analytics. Let's start and grow together. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language which is used to manage relational databases. In relational databases, data is stored in the form of table. SQL statements are used to perform various operations such as updating, manipulating, or retrieving data from the database. So, basically, SQL is used for querying the database. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and press bell notification to learn more SQL concepts.